Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. You already know the drill. Before we get into anything else, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm going to give you a moment to do so, my love. Yes, this is for you. Thank you. So today I did this makeup look for you guys. I don't even know what I'm going to call it, but we'll figure that out once the video is up. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Also, one last thing, I am going to be having a giveaway as soon as I get to 500 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, share my videos, just let the people know about your girl, okay? All right, let's get into this video. Bye. So hey everybody, we're starting out with my Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer, and we're just going to work that in with our hands. My skin has been super dry, so this primer really brings some moisture back to my face. And with my L'Oreal True Match, this is my foundation in the shade C7. And I'm just taking my beauty sponge and working that in. We're using Tarte Shape Tape for concealer today and Tan Sand. And I'm just going to highlight all these designated areas on my face. Just in all the areas that the light is going to reflect off of my face. But yes, just blend that in with your beauty sponge. And I'm also going to be putting this on my eyelids as well, just to act as a little bit of primer. And also I'm going to put some underneath my cheekbones. And with my Laura Mercier Translucent and Medium Deep, I'm just going to put this all over my face today and set my concealer and my foundation and pretty much everything on my face. And I really liked how it calmed down my my highlight. But yes, I'm just going to put this all over the concealer I put all over my face just to lighten it up just a bit. And I'm actually going to let that bake today. And I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. Boom, there we go. And I'm just going to wipe all of that off of my face. I didn't want it to bake too long. Like, it probably took me at least 3 minutes to do my eyebrows. So that is plenty of time. And then I'm going to set my face with some Fix Plus. Now going into the Juvia's Place palette, I am using this shade to warm up my crease and take it a little bit above my crease as well. This is going to be my transitions shade, and I'm just going to blend that out. Now with this purple color, I'm going to put this all over my lid, and I put a nice decent coat on there. I was just packing it on for a minute, but yes, I really wanted this purple to come out really nicely, so I have a nice decent coat of this shade. And all the shadows I'm using is from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, so that is all you'll need for this look today. But yeah, just keep on putting that shadow on until it's to your own liking. Now going in with this pink shade, I'm putting this right in my crease just to brighten up the look a little bit more and just bring it all together really nicely. I really love this pink. I think it might have been my first time actually using this shade. But now I'm just blending everything out with my beauty or with my blending brush. Now for my eyebrow bone, I'm just popping this color on there just to highlight my brow bone a little bit more and just bring the look together. This look ended up turning out so gorgeous. I freaking love it. But again, with my blending brush, blend it all out. And now I'm just dusting away that translucent powder because I had some fallout. And I wouldn't put my eyeliner on off camera. I just used my Inglot gel liner in 77. And I'm just putting that pink shade on my bottom lash line, just to not really smoke it out, but just add some color down there. And I did put a pretty good amount on there. Now I'm just going to set my face again with my setting spray. And for contour, I'm taking my Black Radiant contour powder and just chiseling out my face and my cheeks and my nose, I believe. And I did go under my chin as well, just to get any double chin I might be having, you know, just eliminate that altogether. But now I am just contouring my nose just a little bit. And I'm using this brush I got from my Ipsy bag. I'm not sure what it is, but and now I'm just blending out my contour a little bit, taking away any harsh lines. And for blush, I'm using my Black Radiant Toasted Almond. I used to use this blush all the freaking time years ago. And then I lost it, but I just picked it back up. So for a highlight, I am using my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. And that's pretty much just gonna be the first highlighter I use. And then I'm going to go in with Becca Topaz right on top of that, just to, I wanted some more gold in there because the Gilded Honey is like more light, but Topaz has a more gold undertone, and I like that one a lot. So yeah, after you're done highlighting, we're going to move on to lips. This is Colourpop More Better. This is one of their liquid lipsticks I've had forever. But yes, I'm just going to fill in my lips with this. Also, I put on my Eyelure 126 lashes off camera, just if you were wondering. But yes, that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget about my giveaway I'm going to be having at 500 subscribers. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Love you guys.